We are now on to the meat section of our assessment. We're going to have ground beef and hot dogs. So you're going to be assessing the ground beef by its fat percentage, and this will just say it right on it, on the label. It'll be very straightforward. There's lean ground beef. I did not see many 90% leans. So you're going to have to put in alternate items. Less than 10% fat is also going to be hard to find. Ground turkey, less than 10% fat is going to be hard to find. So really what I want y'all to write down is the price of the 80% lean, which I saw a lot. There's also 73% lean, which I saw a lot. And then some turkeys that were also 80% lean. So this is going to be a page where the comment section is going to be pretty prevalent, because it's going to be hard to follow this outline just because of the stock and the inventory you're going to see. So just try your best to follow the lines, but if you just write something down in the margins, that's fine too. The most important thing is that you have all the varieties of what they have written down. Most stores will only have 2 or 3 kinds of ground beef, and then the price comparison of them. If you do see turkey, don't necessarily assume it's less than 10% fat. Read the label and see what it is. And these prices are going to be priced per pound. So you'll see that in the dot, and you'll say, like, mark it as yes, it's priced per pound. And then you can put that in the price section. You might need to look at the marker under the item to see what the price breakdown is per pound, because the different packages could have different weights, so they're not all the same price. And for the hot dogs, I can promise you, you are not going to see 9 kinds of hot dogs in the store. Pretty much they're all going to be a regular hot dog. Some might be like a shorter length, and some might be like an extended, quote, bun length. And fat-free is also unlikely to find. So if you're just writing down the regular option of turkey wieners, which is like around 12 to 13 grams of fat, which is what most of them are, then just write down the price of them, the ounces per package, how many hot dogs are per package, the grams of fat per hot dog. And this says kilocalories, but we're not doing that conversion. Just write down the calories per one hot dog, and you can see all of those on the nutrition label. It's pretty straightforward. You might see turkey wieners. I encountered those a couple times, but they were never a third of the less fat. In my experience, the turkey wieners were maybe 1 gram of fat less or the same than the regular wieners. So just make a note of that too in the comment section. If you're writing down the price and availability of turkey wieners, just say it was 11 grams of fat or something like that. If you see light wieners or any of these other items, a fat-free brand, then just write them down, but don't get discouraged if you're not seeing that, because it's pretty unlikely.